Before buying a portable heat press machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, HTVRONT Mini Heat Press. Let's kick things off with the HTVRONT Heat Press Mini. This little mint machine caught my attention right away, especially with its price at just $21.99. If you want an easy, portable solution for small projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's super compact, measuring just 3.86 x 2.36 x 3.98 inches, making it a breeze to handle those smaller crafts without lugging around a big machine. Plus, with 3 heat settings ranging from 284 degrees F to 356 degrees F, you can choose the perfect temperature for your project. Now, some people complained about its size feeling too small for larger projects. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily working on shirts, hats, or small crafts, this mini press is a perfect fit and gives you the control you need. This is perfect for you if you're a crafter who loves working on smaller items or needs something easy to travel with. Skip this one if you plan on tackling bigger projects regularly. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the size of the HTVRONT bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Caligy Mini Heat Press. Next up is the Caligy Mini Heat Press, priced at $24.98. This one caught my eye because of its unique one-button design. If you want simplicity and ease of use, you'll want to hear more. The Caligy is compact too, about the same size as a smartphone. This is great for quick temperature adjustments, as pressing once increases the temp and pressing twice decreases it, easy peasy. With 3 temperature settings and a fast heating time, you can get your projects done quickly. Plus, the auto power-off feature after 15 minutes of inactivity means you don't have to stress about forgetting to turn it off. However, some reviews mentioned it takes a bit longer to reach higher temperatures than expected. But honestly, if you're mainly working on smaller items, this added time isn't a deal breaker, especially when you consider the safety features. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, user-friendly press for light projects. Skip this if you need something for larger items. With its price and features, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for versatility. Product number 3, Cricut EasyPress 2 Blue. Now let's talk about the Cricut EasyPress 2, which is a bit pricier at $99. This one stands out with its pro-level personalization features. If you want to take your crafting to the next level, this is definitely worth considering. With a 12x10-inch heat plate, it's designed to handle larger projects like sweatshirts and blankets. The ceramic-coated heat plate ensures even distribution of heat, meaning you won't end up with uneven transfers. Plus, it comes with a user-friendly heat guide that helps you set the right temperature and time for different materials. Now, some users have pointed out that at this price, it feels a bit bulky for portability. But here's the thing. If you're serious about your projects and need something that delivers consistent results, the weight is a small trade-off for quality. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something versatile that can handle a variety of projects. Skip it if you're only doing small crafts occasionally. Given its features, it's worth every penny. Now, if the weight of the Cricut bothered you, the next option is designed for ease of use and safety. Product number 4, Cricut EasyPress 2 Raspberry. Up next is another variant of the Cricut EasyPress 2, this time in a vibrant raspberry color, also priced at $99. If you love the look and want the same functionality as the previous model, this one's for you. Just like its blue counterpart, this EasyPress also features a 12x10-inch heat plate and can reach temperatures up to 400 degrees F. It's perfect for larger heat transfer projects and ensures you get that professional finish every time. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, and the consistent heat distribution means no more guesswork with your projects. However, the 2 models are nearly identical, and some may argue that 2 of the same product feels redundant. Here's the thing though, having options in color is a nice touch, and if it makes you excited to craft, that's a win. This is perfect for you if you love a bold color and need something reliable for heat transfers. Skip it if you're looking for a budget option. It's a solid investment for serious crafters. Now, if you want something that automates the process, let's look at the last product on my list. Product number 5, HTVRONT Auto Heat Press. Finally, we have the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press, which is priced at $236. This one aims to simplify your heat pressing experience. If you want a machine that does most of the work for you, keep listening. This heat press features an auto-release function, meaning after you push the ironing board in, it does the pressing for you and automatically adjusts to your project's thickness. It heats up to 320 degrees F in just 4 minutes, which is impressive, and the dual-tube heating engine ensures an even temperature throughout. That means quicker, higher-quality transfers. Now, some users have mentioned it's bulky and might take up more space than they'd like. But honestly, if you're looking for speed and efficiency, this extra size could be worth it for the productivity boost you'll get. This is perfect for you if you're looking to ramp up your crafting game or start a small business. Skip it if you're limited on space or need something ultra-portable. For the features and time-saving benefits, it's a smart buy. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the HTVRONT Mini for small projects, the Calogy Mini for ease of use, the Cricut EasyPress 2 for versatility, the stylish Cricut EasyPress 2 in Raspberry, and finally, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press for those who want automation. Each has its strengths depending on what you need, so consider what fits your crafting style best.